Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaclit Educational Channel. So in this video we are going to know that in the UGC NET December 2025 session how many JRF and NET LS will be awarded in category wise. Yes, this we will know from the official valid numbers from the UGC NET from the previous years, and these are 100% correct and you will get to know all these details. So without much delay, let's start today's video. So to know the December 2025 session, how many candidates will be getting JRF or NET LS in any of the subject, you should know the previous trend, how the trend is going and how many numbers are awarded every time the UGC NET is conducted for every session. So we are knowing here for the environmental science subject. So if you are from some other subject, you can check the previous years accordingly. So to follow how this goes on, you should know these things. First of all, we are discussing about June 2025 UGC NET exam subject and category wise cutoff marks. So this was the cutoff mark, and here very important thing you should note down that from here only we will get to know how many JRF and NET LS will be awarded this time for the December 2025 session. So in the past attempt for June 2025 environmental science unreserved category, you can see here JRF 40 number of candidates they got, and assistant professor or LS NET lectureship 424 candidates they got. They qualify for this. We are not discussing about the PhD only. We are discussing about the JRF and assistant professor or LS. Similarly, in the OBC category, how many candidates got the JRF? 29 number of candidates. And how many got assistant professor? 340. Similarly, in the EWS category, 6 candidates got JRF and 104 got assistant professor or NET LS. SC category, 18 students they got JRF. Throughout the India this exam is conducted, and from them 192 category from the SC they got assistant professor in the environmental science subject. ST candidates they were 8 for JRF for the environmental science in the June 2025 UGC NET examination, and 113 of the ST candidates they got assistant professor. Similarly, altogether if you calculate in the PWD category, around 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 15, around 10 to 15 around they got JRF in the PW category. PWD category assistant professor were also, you can see here, almost it is coming around 30 candidates they got in the assistant professor category. Why I am telling you that? So you can compare again one more session if you go back, it is December 2024. Here you can see JRF in the unreserved category is 42. So previous how much it was? It was 40 in the June 2025, but in the December 2024 it is almost similar to 40, that is 42 around. OBC when we are coming for the JRF category, it was 24 candidates they got in the December 2024, and when we compared here how many were there? They were 29. So it is almost showing the same number of candidates. So now we will know about other categories for the December 2024 session. EWS 7 candidates got JRF, SC 15 candidates got JRF, ST category 9 candidates got JRF, and PWD category you can see it is also coming around 10 around candidates they got JRF. Similarly for the assistant professor we will also compare. In the December 2024 session 457 candidates got assistant professor. Here how much was that? In last attempt it was 424. So it is also coming around 420 to 460 around. And in the OBC non-creamy layer 318 candidates got assistant professor. They qualified for that. Here how many they got? 340, which we discussed already for the June 2025. Now we compare the EWS. EWS also how many they got? EWS there were total around 100 or 98 to be precise in the assistant professor. Similarly, for the SC candidates, 176 candidates they got assistant professor throughout the India. ST 117 candidates they got assistant professor in the environmental science subject for the December 2024. Similarly, PWD altogether if you add, it is coming also around 25 around candidates they got the assistant professor. So from here we got to know a number which is specific that this will be the trend for the December 2025 session. You should note down. JRF in the unreserved category, how many will be getting? They will be around 40 to 45 candidates throughout India, and I will tell you how many candidates are applying every session. So last June 2025 session, how many candidates appeared? 20,536. So these many candidates, they only appeared for the environmental science subject, and from them unreserved category JRF, they were 40 around. So we are predicting this year also 40 to 45 they will qualify for the JRF in the unreserved category. In the OBC category, for example, unreserved, we have mentioned JRF 40 to 45. In the OBC category, we are predicting based on the previous trends, it will be 25 to 30 category people from OBC will be getting JRF this time. EWS category for the environmental science, how many JRF we are expecting? 6 to 8 based on the trend. Similarly, for the SC candidates, how many candidates will get the JRF this time? It will be around 15 to 20. And for the ST candidates, how many will be getting JRF this time? Based on the pattern, it will be 8 to 10 candidate of ST throughout the India will be appearing. They have already appeared. They will be getting JRF will be 8 to 10 candidates. Similarly, PWD also we have predicted this time around 10 to 15 candidates will be getting JRF. And also for the LS, we will tell you this time unreserved LS, how many students will be qualifying? Around 420 to 460 around they will be getting net LS or assistant professor. In the OBC category, how many will be getting? They will be getting as per the trend, that is 320 to 350 number of candidates. I am not telling cutoff. Cutoff we have made a separate video. Similarly, EWS, how many will be getting assistant professor or lectureship net LS only? It will be around 100 to 110 based on the previous patterns, which is almost coming same every time the UGC is conducting the exam. SC candidates, how many will be getting assistant professor this time? Our prediction is it will be around 180 to 200 candidates throughout India. Similarly, I will clear this thing. ST candidates, how many will be getting? Our prediction is 110 to 120 candidates in the assistant professor category. So I hope you are clear now. Based on the previous trends only, we are telling this thing, we are expecting, and this is coming correct 100% every time the UGC NET is conducting the exam. So this is the thing which you should know in the environmental science subjects. Almost around 20 to 25,000 candidates they are appearing, and from them this is the trend of category wise JRF and assistant professor. So if you want further updates and more such videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel ZachLead. Hit the notification icon to get all updates. So keep praying for the best results. See you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.